Hello everyone, welcome to AdiTrade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Banknifty levels for Jan 17th and the kind of trade what was the best possible trade today. Today it was a good day for us, especially we shorted right at this previous week high, where previously we had this resistance zone and our targets was CPR, and that trade did work beautifully for us. For some reason today the trading view is kind of slow and it's not letting me shift between different time frame, so we will go ahead and just review and see the levels on this 15-minute chart. I don't want to keep changing the time frame. See, previously we had this level marked where multiple times we had taken beautiful resistance over here, 1, 2 in Banknifty. This is the 15-minute chart of Banknifty, and this resistance level was at 42,700, right? And today, if you see, this is today's price action. Exactly from this level we kind of reversed and came on the downside. Though we made use of the CPR levels, it was also the weekly CPR that was there, but the moment this R1 broke on the downside, R1 of CPR, we knew it was kind of obvious that we will hit the CPR level, the daily CPR level. So it was kind of an easy trade based on the CPR logic, and a detailed video is there on my channel about the CPR logic. You can go have a check. And along with this CPR and this resistance point, what else supported us is the open interest data. Now if I show you the screenshot, in the morning itself we did see a lot of call writing coming in at 42,600 and 700, so that was one convincing thing for us to go on the short side with a strict stop loss of this level. Because when I say this level is, say when you short here, the stop loss has to be this zone, this line over here at 42,724, because in case if the price had gone above this and closed in 15 minutes, we could have seen a heavy short covering on the upside, right? So that was the trade possibility for today in Banknifty, which worked pretty well. Though we had a bullish view in our analysis, but the moment we saw this rejection, we went on the bearish side. And that's how you have to be dynamic, especially in options trading, either selling or buying options. Especially in trading itself, intraday trading, you have to be dynamic. We cannot have one fixed view that the market will be bullish or bearish. Whatever the market, we can only plan. See, if what is planning is, see, we had a plan and we had marked this level, right? Without plan, we wouldn't have got that confidence of even taking a short. So always have a plan where the support and resistance is, and then trade how the market moves in the live market. That's the best way of trading. See, as of now, Bank Nifty is kind of bouncing off between these levels, that is 41,760 and 42,679, right? So we have got this rejection from the top. Now the next level on the downside where we can take some good support is obviously this level of 41,700, and then we can also have a small intraday bounce at this level, that is 41,920. So we'll have to see how the price reacts here. If this breaks with a nice big solid candle, then we might hit this level of 41,750. See, we have tried to come down and break this thrice, right? So it's not necessary this time we will break it for sure. We can even come again and bounce from here. So be ready for all that. But this time, if this level breaks 41,800, this green zone what I marked breaks, right, we could be going down until 41,300 and 41,300 and probably 40,800. Now what are those 800 and 300 levels? We will mark that. See, this is why having a trade plan is not just, according to me, right, having a trade plan and keeping all your levels marked is important. See, this is the reason that I was telling that the trading view is kind of slow today. Not sure why I shouldn't have changed the time frame. See, the other levels are, there's a good support zone over here, that is 41,650, and even if that breaks, okay, the 1 hour is not coming. I'll try to post this tomorrow in the group or in our live video. If I come online, I'll be showing you the other support levels on the downside. but I know that there is a good support at 41,300. For some reason these charts are not going back. I'm not able to pull that, and the next support is 40,800, right? So these are the levels on the downside, and maybe we came, tested this bounce twice, we went up. This time maybe we'll break this, right? So until it's broken, we should never assume. If we can even bounce from here. So but these are the important levels that we'll have to watch out for in Bank Nifty. That is 41,800, 41,650 and 41,900. Let's have a quick check in Nifty. I'm not able to do any more explanation much because of this trading view that's having an issue. So it's not loading anything beyond certain time frame. Okay, that's okay, not a problem. See, in if you just probably, if anybody had seen my old analysis, you would know that we had this type of a trend line, right, in Nifty. Today exactly we had this black trend line marked even in our analysis. Okay, this is where it is. Everything has come. See, we had this type of a black trend line, and today exactly from that trend line on the 15-minute, see, Nifty gave a better confirmation to short than Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty made a doji candle. Nifty kind of made an inverted hammer on the 15-minute chart, right? So this itself was a good move on the downside, and in our intraday analysis we pointed out that Nifty could come to this level where this price action imbalance is there. Exactly there it has taken support. Now obviously the next support for Nifty on the downside is this. This is the strong support of 17,760. So if today's low breaks, straight away Nifty could be coming down to this level, 17,766, because this level we have taken kind of support twice. So we cannot ignore this level, and if somebody gets a nice short entry in the morning, this can be a good place to book profits. Always have a target and book profits on time. Okay, this is what I was talking about. For some reason the trading view is really slow, but whatever levels we marked is something that we're going to use for tomorrow. I just want to show one more thing in Bank Nifty daily chart. Let's see if the daily chart opens up. Yeah, this one last thing we'll check before we close this video. See, on this daily chart we were drawing this type of a trend line in my past couple of videos, right? Probably what it looks like to me as of now is this was like a break of this trend line, probably a retest, and we might slip further down. And what are the targets that I mentioned about 41,300, right? That is this 40,800, and we have one target on the downside. So this is what I mentioned about 41,300 and 40,800. So our view for tomorrow is we could be bearish. It's definitely on the bearish side, but we might get a little sideways price action also, right? So we'll have to be prepared for that. And any buy trade in Bank Nifty will work if this level breaks on the upper side, that is 42,690, from where we rejected. And also look for a buying opportunity at this level. If we get a nice strong bullish candle at this 41,900 in this zone, right, where multiple times we have bounced, we don't mind going long as well in this level. So that's it. Could not show much as we are having problem with this trading view, but we'll try to post and see if we can get some good analysis tomorrow in our mid-market video. Mid-market analysis video will be between 12 to 12:30, depending on whatever time, but mostly it will be between 12 to 12:30, so you can catch some live updates there. Thank you.